I just finished calibrating it, flat trimming it on the level surface, and I'm going to just fly it below 30 feet to show what's going on with it. Below 30 feet, you get in the sun, it goes straight down. And I have to try and drag it back up to try and get it back up. Now as I'm going to show you even on the controller. As I bring it back, it's going to go straight up and there's nothing I did to that. Straight up. I'm going to go back out. Well, I should actually go that high again. I'm going to go back out in the sun, straight the heck down, and I have to bring it back up. So I'll take it 30 feet up, so now it's 7 feet up. I'll take it. Right now it's at 36 feet. Right now it's at 36 feet, so I'm going to go out in the sun. And that drops like, and then it goes straight back up because it got in the, it dropped, it got in the shade, and then went straight back up. Now it's like bouncing because it's going in between the shade and the sun.
And you're not
doesn't even know it, and I'm not touching it at all. And that's, and it thinks, yeah, right now it's going between 36 feet and 33 feet, 39 feet. So it's all acting crazy. It drops like a rock. That's not okay. I'll take it way out in the sun. All the way down until it figures itself out. And then it starts going back up. So I don't even know what that's called. But it is totally out of my control and not safe.